Hi, my name is Andrei Yakovenko from New Element Training. In this exercise we will demonstrate a decline shoulder press. So basically it's a variation of a shoulder press exercise where you will just use your own body weight. So this is somewhat advanced version. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to your YouTube channel, so every time you post a new video, you make sure that you're not going to miss any of those instructional educational videos. So the way we're going to do this is you're going to need like a little bit like a stool, coffee table, couch, maybe armchair, something maybe roughly give or take this height, could be plus minus couple inches lower, couple inches higher. And then what you're going to do, you're going to put your knees right on top of this surface, and you're gonna put your hands maybe just outside of the shoulder width, and don't go too far forward because it's gonna be more like a push-up exercise. So what we're gonna do, we wanna be as vertical as we can in a decline position, and we're gonna point our butt up towards the ceiling, and we're gonna slowly start coming down. Elbows, maybe roughly 45 degrees from the middle line until about there. Pause for half a second. And slowly coming up, and I'm gonna stop just before my elbows fully lock out. Maybe here. Pause for half a second or so, and start coming down again. Pause, and again slowly. I also feel it quite a bit in my triceps as well. Slowly down. Now, I could probably do one or two more, but we're gonna assume this is the last one, so I barely be able to finish this one, and I just did it. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna take 30 seconds to come down. Achieve that deep exhaustion 5 in a targeted muscles, which is shoulders and triceps. Full exhaustion, 20 seconds to go. Complete failure. Muscular failure. Come on, 15. There. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. When I go up, I'm simply unable to. And then you kind of crash and you're done. Wow. It's really effective exercise to target your front, mid, deltoid shoulder and your triceps. Yeah, so if you have any questions, you can visit our website, newelementtraining.com. Shoot us an email at info@newelementtraining.com if you have any questions, or perhaps like to book an online virtual coaching session. Thank you.